Hi, my name is Jennifer Labadie, and I'm the newly elected Shorewood Mayor. I'd like to thank Shorewood residents for electing me to serve as your mayor. I'm humbled and honored by the trust that you have placed in me. I will serve Shorewood residents and make decisions that are in the best interest of our entire city. Shorewood's a wonderful place to live, and I will work hard to continue Shorewood's tradition of excellence. Today, I'd like to briefly highlight the following 4 issues. First, I'd like to provide an update on Shorewood's response to COVID-19. Second, I'd like to provide an overview of upcoming street projects and other construction projects. Third, I'd like to provide an update on park improvements scheduled for 2021. And finally, I'd like to give a description of a new contest that Shorewood's registered to participate in, the Wyland National Mayor's Challenge for Water Conservation. Update on Shorewood's response to COVID-19. City Hall. Shorewood City Hall, staff, and council are following the COVID-19 recommendations established by the governor. City staff is still working full-time. City Hall's hours of operation, capacity limits of City Hall, and in-person meetings versus Zoom meetings may change as COVID-19 recommendations change. Open book meeting. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the Hennepin County Assessor's Office has established 2 virtual open book meeting dates of Tuesday, April 27th, 2021 from 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. and Thursday, April 29th from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. City parks and playgrounds are open. Playground equipment and picnic tables are not sanitized, so use accordingly. Park restrooms are currently closed. Portable toilets, which are maintained and sanitized by a private company, have been set up in Shorewood's parks. The Shorewood Community and Event Center, located at 5735 Country Club Road, has reopened on a limited basis due to COVID-19. It has a commercial-grade kitchen, meeting rooms, and a large banquet room for rent. Many activities are offered, and groups regularly meet at the Shorewood Community and Event Center. Some of these include Zumba and fitness classes, Toastmasters, Mahjong and bridge, wood carving, quilting and knitting, beading, and a dementia support group. Please refer to the city's website for the most up-to-date information regarding Shorewood Community and Event Center, our city parks, City Hall, and the open book meeting. Now I'd like to provide an overview of 2021 street projects. Mill and Overlay. Mill and Overlay consists of taking the current road surface, regrinding the material, and laying down a new road surface. The project does not include adding water mains to areas without city water. To see a complete list of the tentative roads for the 2021 Mill and Overlay projects, go to the city website. Road reconstruction. Road reconstruction is a much more extensive process than a mill and overlay. With road reconstruction, a road is completely rebuilt. This is the time when the city can cost-effectively add water mains to areas without city water. The Glen Road, Omley Road, Manitou Lane reconstruction project will occur in 2021. The Strawberry Lane project is on pace with its design phase, and construction is anticipated to commence in 2022. Go to the city website and sign up for email updates regarding your road construction project or those individual projects which affect you. You can also sign up for general road construction updates that cover highly traveled roads in and around Shorewood that might affect your drive. Other 2021 construction projects: Smithtown Pond, Freeman Woods. The City of Shorewood is installing a stormwater pond on the north side of the LRT trail off of Smithtown Lane. The pond is to provide drainage for the corridor along both sides of the LRT trail. Details will be posted on the city website as the project design is completed. Mary Lake Outlet Project. The proposed project is to construct a pipe outlet to manage the high water level of Mary Lake. The City of Shorewood has periodically needed to pump down the water of Mary Lake to help avoid damage to property and structures. The city has authorized the preparation of a feasibility study, and once the feasibility study is prepared, the city will provide an update to residents. Park Updates 2021. Shorewood has 7 city parks, and I'd like to highlight upcoming park improvements to 4 of the city parks scheduled for 2021. Manor Park. Several years ago, after meeting with neighborhood residents, the Shorewood City Council voted unanimously to treat the pond located in Manor Park in an effort to control thick pond scum, algae, and the resulting foul odor. The treatments were extremely successful. Residents were pleased with the results, and the pond's appearance improved, the odor was significantly reduced, and birds, including herons, began to return to the pond. Here's a very brief overview of our treatment plan, which will continue in the spring and summer 2021. The pond is treated throughout the summer to control duckweed, submerged plants, and algae, and to address nuisance algae blooms. Alum is applied to the pond to reduce the pond's phosphorus level. Alum also provides a barrier on the pond bottom to deter the movement of phosphorus into the water from the sediment. Badger Park. The complete overhaul of Badger Park is nearly finished with a new turf field, shelter, restrooms, and a complete retrofit of new ADA-compliant playground equipment. Adaptive equipment in this park includes an adaptive swing and a merry-go-all. The new tennis courts, which will also be striped for pickleball, will be installed this spring 2021. The city will hopefully host a grand opening ceremony this summer. The grand opening would be open to the public and would follow COVID-19 recommendations from our governor. Please check for updates on the city website. Freeman Park. The drainage correction project near Field 4 at Freeman Park is complete, except for minor finishing and landscaping touches. An ADA-compliant playground rehabilitation project at Freeman South is also complete. Silverwood Park. Plans are underway, and we are in the design phase for a park rehabilitation and equipment replacement. The equipment will hopefully be installed in Silverwood Park in 2021. Now, I'd like to talk to you about the last thing, the Wyland National Mayor's Challenge for Water Conservation. The City of Shorewood is registered to participate in the Wyland National Mayor's Water Challenge. This is a month-long, friendly competition that will occur in April between cities all across the U.S. to see which city can be the most water-wise. Mayors nationwide will challenge their residents to conserve water, energy, and other natural resources on behalf of their city through a series of informative, easy-to-use pledges online. Individuals who participate in the Mayor's National Water Challenge are eligible to win prizes. The competition runs from April 1st to April 30th, 2021, but you can register for this competition at any time. Go to their website to register as a Shorewood resident. Make sure you list Shorewood resident, even though your zip code says Excelsior. I hereby challenge all residents to help Shorewood become the nation's most water-wise city by registering for the Wyland National Mayor's Challenge for Water Conservation. Look for continued videos from me with links to these videos on our city website and updates in Shorewood's newsletter, The Shore Report, under my report, Message from Mayor Labadie. In conclusion, I'd like to say thanks again, Shorewood, for electing me to serve as your mayor. This is Jennifer Labadie, the proud mayor of the great city of Shorewood.